Yeah, this week gold technical analysis. This is 4 hour. I can go for 1 hour time frame. Okay, 1 hour. Yeah. So after breaking this, event went impulsively. So then is correcting slowly. Then he will impulse. So it reached there already. So once he broke, is a uptrend actually. Now if we give any correction here, little bit small correction here, it will go up. So maybe it can reach these areas somewhere or these areas. But look for nice setup or buy setup. Okay, thank you.